Last night we started, we brought us some hay up. Got up under this thing. In my previous video, we pushed this thing up in a pretty good pile. Last night we come out and we lit it up and got a pretty good burn on it last night. We until we disposed of a lot of logs and limbs there last night, and the actual tree did get to burning. I was hoping it would burn a little more than it did, but you know, it put some damage on it. It burnt throughout the night. I was anxious to come up this morning and see exactly how much of it burnt. We did get a pretty good burn on that side, but I'm gonna walk you around on this side. You know, we still got a lot of debris over here. But we're gonna take the tractor this morning and bump it up and see if we can't get it back good and hot and get this thing burned up some more. Our goal is to get this stump here good and hot and burnt, and we want to keep this thing burning for, you know, several days. That way we burn that stump. We just don't want that snag there that's in the air to burn. We also want it to burn down in the ground a little bit, so we can take some dirt and cover it up, and we'll be able to mow and maintain it, you know, and not have a stump out here in the middle of everything just in the way. Got it bumped up a little bit. It don't take much. You just take that tractor and hit on it there a few times and get that fire back going. And you want to continue doing this for several more days, you know, however long it takes, and just keep it burning. You want to keep it bumped up and burning until eventually all of it will be gone. And later on we'll show you, once we get it down so far, what we're gonna do to continue getting this stump on out. And I'm gonna ease around the edge of this thing and pick up these little sticks and just keep throwing them up in that fire right there. As y'all notice, when I was pushing, I didn't push on this snag here too much because it ain't a whole lot of meat left there, and you know, you don't want to push on that and bump on it and top of it fall off on you on top of your tractor. You know, people get seriously hurt a lot of times pushing on trees and the top of them being rotten, and they'll fall down and hit you in the head and possibly kill you, you know, on these tractors. And this particular tractor's got ROPS on it, but it don't have no other protection over the top of your head other than those ROPS. And we don't want to take a chance and bumping this thing right now and it coming over on me. I can't, it's still too many limbs for me to get real close to it. Once I get all this stuff burned up and I can get to the opposite side, that weight right there, I may push it up, try to push it over, but right now we're just gonna let it continue burning. As y'all can tell, it's not not a whole bunch left in there. Well, it's mid-afternoon and that's what's left. We're gonna bump it up some more, see if we can get her to burn some more. The stump ain't really burning a whole lot, but she's burning just slowly. Hopefully we'll get it down. We're still working on it. We're getting there. Slow burn. All right, we got it piled in there. We're gonna try this again.